Hi guys, the S22 and S22 Plus are not getting as much love as the S22 Ultra, but they're really amazing devices with a solid design and some cool features. So we're gonna take a look at the top 5 features of the S22 and S22 Plus. But before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get daily tech updates, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So the main difference between the S22 and S22 Plus is the screen size and battery capacity. Another difference is the charging speeds and screen brightness. While the S22 supports 25 watts with 1300 nits, the S22 Plus supports 45 watts with 1750 nits, just like the S22 Ultra. So besides those differences, every other feature is the same. They both have the same design with flat edges on the front and back, which is different from the curved back design of the S21 Plus, but it inherits the contour-cut camera design of the S21 series, which is a really good design. It also inherits the triple camera layout from the S21 series, but with a different main and telephoto lens. The main sensor is a much larger 50 megapixel sensor that's gonna capture more detail, and the new zoom sensor is a 10 megapixel 3x telephoto lens. It could be the same sensor that's on the S22 Ultra. A really cool feature of the main sensor is a 58% wider correction angle for optical image stabilization. That's gonna result in much more stable videos. The S22 and S22 Plus also has video digital image stabilization, which analyzes a lot of data to help produce the best stable video possible. The camera on the S22 series also has AI stereo depth map, which helps to identify and process tiny objects in portraits. That's really gonna improve the overall detail and quality in each portrait, especially in low light. Now, some camera features can also be used in social media apps thanks to Samsung's partnership with Snapchat, Instagram, and TikTok. So those apps support the zoom, ultra-wide and low-light features on the S22 series. Now, another cool feature is the software support. They're gonna have 4 years of Android updates and 5 years of security updates. And another cool feature is the price. The S22 starts at $799 and the S22 Plus at $999. Let me know what you think of the S22 and S22 Plus in the comment section below. Be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon to get daily tech updates. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.